Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily start your own demo account with Plus 500 so you can learn trading and understand trading better with Plus 500. If you're first time here, there is going to be a link down below in the description for registering for Plus 500 live account, and if they're offering some promotion, also some bonus, you would get it with the link down below. So here, click here, try free demo. And then under that, you can have donor account, create one now. Click on it. And then you have to add an email address and password. And right under it, you're going to find create a demo account. So click on it. You can, of course, create an account with Google, Facebook, or Apple. Create a demo account. And we're going to be right here. Let's just wait until it loads. Processing, and here we are straight away. So right now I'm going to show you what you can actually find in your demo account with Plus 500. So on the top you would find available balance, then you're gonna have the equity here, that means the current account valuation, and then you're gonna have the maintenance margin and profit and loss right here. Then on the left side you would see trade, open position, orders, close position. So when you would go on top left and click menu, you have account here that you can like invite a friend, tools, and you can always click here complete registration and become a trader. And you can also switch on the bottom left. Let me show you the real money, and also you can have the light version or dark version of your trading platform, and then you can switch between demo mode and live mode. So here when I went to menu, you can simply go to live mode or demo mode, and this is how you can. So let's say that you learned something in demo and you want to actually go and start using the live version. That's how you can do it. So with the Plus 500, when you're going to be here in most popular, you can have the options here, the commodities, the crypto, the forex, also the commodities options, shares. And what you can do is pretty straightforward. The market is closed right now, but let's say that we're going to go to forex, and I'm going to show you how you can easily buy and sell, because that's really straightforward. And I'm going to like remove my camera now, and I would go here to forex major, Euro USD, and you can simply click buy here, and then you're gonna have let's say amount, let's say 1,000 or 10,000, and you're gonna have like after leverage here. This is the required margin, and you can easily click here close at profit or close at loss. So let's say right now for the 1 euro we would get 0.03 USD, and let's say we want to close at profit when it's going to be 1.5. That means for the 10,000 euro, if you would grow to 1.5, we would earn 5,000 euro, which is like huge, right? And you can always optimize it, and you would see what the profit you would have. Then you can have also options to close at loss here. And let's say the close at loss, I'm going to be 0.95. And you see that's a 500 stop loss. And then you're gonna find here that, okay, what is the profit that we want to have? And then 0.95, it's here. Or let's say we're gonna have, let's change this to 2 hours. 0.95 was somewhere here, right? But let's say you just change the stop loss here to 0.99 so you can see it better. And you can see 0.99 close at loss, 1.1, let's say. Here we have it. So you can go also with, let's say, 1 week or days here, and see that this is where you would find the stop loss and close at profit. And right now, as you can see, like the euro was not doing well for the past years, and right now it's like on the bottom. And like, let's imagine guys that I earn money in dollars from a lot of cooperations, and like I'm 60 cents down for every single dollar that I earn comparing to euro. So if I earn $1,000 and it's going to convert to euro, I'm going to earn much less money. It's interesting. So, but it is what it is right now, and that's how the market it is. And you can even find the euro. So you can always search for the instrument here. And you can find the rates here. So you can also like edit everything here. And to actually buy something, so let's say we're gonna have the euro USD, and as I mentioned, you can have buy here, you can have like close rows here. Let's say I'm going to have 10,000, close at profit 0.05, and then you can have all sorts of advanced and find some information, so where you would find the leverage, the dynamic speed, everything. And what you can do is to simply buy. And when you're gonna buy, we can go on under trade open positions, and you see it right here. So here you would have your own open positions, and you see how well you're actually performing. And that's pretty much it. And then what you can do is to simply close at loss, or you can go trade again. So let's say I have shares options here, and you can have also the options, like if you want I can create a tutorial on that too. And then you can simply have close at profit, and close at loss. And this is really similar, right? And you can then buy. And this is like order buy right now. So you see on the under open positions, you're gonna have orders. So again, when I would be here in a trade, I can have call, put, and you can close at profit or close at loss. So that's pretty much it how you do it. If you want me to create also the options tutorial, let me down below in the comments, and I hope you are going to have a great day. You can always choose whatever asset you want, and you would find it right here. And that's pretty much it. So have a great day, and goodbye guys. See ya.